In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see the first message in iPhone Messages application without scrolling the conversation in that way. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Messages app and then just get into a conversation. Basically, guys, we can scroll down to go up until we find the first message or the start of the certain conversation. However, if you got a ton of messages here, it can take quite a long time. And now I'm gonna show you how we can, in one click, move to the beginning of the conversation. Basically, guys, the process is really simple because all we have to do is just tap right here at time at the top left corner and see what's gonna happen. As you can see, we've just been moved to the very beginning of that conversation. It doesn't matter how many messages are in a conversation. By tapping right here at the time widget, you will be moved to the very first. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.